I tested 200 AI tools over 6 months. I spent $12,000 of my own money. Only 5 have an ROI above 30x, and I'm going to show you exactly how much you'll save with each one. I'm the AI mentor. I use these 5 tools every single day in my real business. Real numbers, no theory, no fluff. These tools cost me $92 per month and save over $7,000 monthly. Let me show you how. By the end of this video, you'll know which 5 tools have proven ROI, exactly how much each one saves, and how to implement them in less than 10 minutes. Let's start with tool number 1.
Are you paying $2,000 per month for a copywriter? ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month and does 80% of the work. It writes emails, reports, social media posts, blog articles, anything text-based, in 10 minutes instead of hours. Let me show you how. Before ChatGPT, I paid a freelance copywriter $2,500 per month. I waited 3 to 5 days for each piece of content, and revisions cost extra time and money. Now, with ChatGPT Plus for $20 monthly, I get text ready in 10 to 15 minutes. I can iterate unlimited times, same day, zero extra cost. Monthly savings, $2,480. Time saved, 15 to 20 hours per week. At $50 per hour, that's $3,000 to $4,000 in time value monthly. Getting started takes 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. Step 2. Click Upgrade to Plus for $20 per month. Step 3. Use this prompt. I need a professional email to follow up with a client about a proposal. Keep it friendly, but direct, under 150 words. Step 4. Hit Enter. Get your result in 30 seconds. Copy, paste, send. That's it. You're saving money today. The math is simple. Investment, $20 per month. Money saved, $2,480. Time value, $3,000 minimum. Total return, over $5,000. That's a 250x ROI in month 1. Next tool saves even more time. Do you pay $800 per month for basic design work? Canva Pro costs $10 per month on the annual plan and replaces 90% of your design needs. Social media posts, presentations, flyers, thumbnails, logos, you create them in minutes using templates. No design skills required. Let me show you real results. I used to pay a freelance designer $800 monthly for social media posts. Turnaround was 2 to 3 days. Each revision cost $50 to $100 extra. Now I create 30 posts in 2 hours with Canva Pro for $10 per month. Revisions are instant and free. I just duplicate the template, change colors and text, export in 1 click, done. Your first professional design in 15 minutes, zero learning curve. Investment, $10 per month. Money saved, $790. Time value, $1,600 minimum. Total return, almost $2,400. That's a 240x ROI monthly. Next tool automates your entire workflow.
Are you wasting 10 hours per week on repetitive tasks? Zapier costs $30 per month for the starter plan and automates repetitive tasks. Data entry, email follow-ups, CRM updates, file organization. Everything runs on autopilot. 24/7, zero errors, no management needed. Let me show you how it works. I used to pay a virtual assistant $1,200 per month to handle admin tasks, updating the CRM when forms were submitted, sending follow-up emails, organizing files in Google Drive. It took hours and sometimes had errors. Now, Zapier does it all for $30 monthly. When someone fills out a form, Zapier instantly adds them to my CRM, sends a welcome email, creates a folder in Drive, and notifies my team in Slack. 10 seconds, zero errors, 24/7. Monthly savings, $1,170. Time saved, 10 to 12 hours per week. That's $2,000 to $2,400 in time value. Implementation takes 20 minutes. Step 1, go to Zapier.com. Step 2, sign up for Starter at $30 monthly. Step 3, start with this simple automation. When someone submits a Google form, add them to Google Sheets and send an email. Step 4, pick the template, connect your accounts, click On, your first Zap is running. Start with 3 simple automations. Save email attachments to Drive, get Slack alerts for new form submissions, add form contacts to your email list. These 3 save 5 hours per week minimum. Investment, $30 per month. Money saved, $1,170. Time value, $2,000 minimum. Total return, over $3,000. That's a 100x ROI, and it runs forever once you set it up. Next tool handles complex analysis.
Do you pay someone to analyze long documents and contracts? Claude Pro costs $20 per month and reads up to 200,000 words at once. That's about 500 pages in seconds. Contracts, research papers, reports, legal documents, Claude analyzes everything and explains it in plain English. Perfect complement to ChatGPT. Let me show you why. I review contracts regularly. Before Claude, I either spent 2 hours reading carefully or paid a lawyer $200 to $300 per contract. Now, I upload the PDF to Claude Pro and ask specific questions. In 5 minutes, Claude gives me a detailed summary, flags potential issues, explains legal terms in simple language. Last week, I analyzed a 50-page contract. Claude found 3 problematic clauses I would have missed. Monthly savings on contract reviews, $800 minimum. Time saved, 5 to 8 hours per week. That's $1,000 to $1,600 in time value. Setup takes 3 minutes. Step 1, go to claude.ai. Step 2, sign up for Claude Pro at $20 monthly. Step 3, upload your document or paste text up to 200,000 words. Step 4, ask questions. Summarize this contract in bullet points. What are the payment terms? Are there any termination clauses? Claude answers in seconds. Here's my workflow. ChatGPT for content creation and quick tasks, Claude for deep analysis and long documents. Together, $40 per month replaces thousands in consulting fees. Investment, $20 per month. Money saved, $800 minimum. Time value, $1,000. Total return, $1,800. That's a 90x ROI monthly. Final tool perfects everything you write.
Do you send important emails and documents with mistakes? Grammarly Premium costs $12 per month on the annual plan and fixes every mistake in real time. Grammar, spelling, tone, clarity, everything. It works everywhere you type. Gmail, Google Docs, Slack, LinkedIn, everywhere. Official company data shows it saves $5,000 per year per employee in productivity. Let me show you real results. I used to pay a proofreader $400 monthly to review important documents. Turnaround was 2 to 3 days and availability was limited. Now, Grammarly Premium catches mistakes instantly for $12 per month. I write an email, Grammarly underlines errors in real time, suggests better word choices, adjusts tone for my audience. My team sends emails 40% faster with fewer mistakes. That's real data from our workflow. Monthly savings, $388. Time saved, 3 to 5 hours per week. That's $600 to $1,000 in time value monthly. Installation takes 2 minutes. Step 1, go to Grammarly.com. Step 2, sign up for Premium Annual at $12 monthly. Step 3, install the browser extension. Click Add to Chrome or your browser. Step 4, start typing anywhere. Gmail, Docs, Slack, everywhere. Grammarly works automatically. It underlines mistakes, you click, it fixes. Zero learning curve. You're writing better in 2 minutes. Investment, $12 per month. Money saved, $388. Time value, $600 minimum. Total return, almost $1,000. That's an 83x ROI monthly. And if we use official annual data, that's a 417x ROI per year. These 5 tools combined change everything.
Let's recap. 5 tools: ChatGPT Plus, $20. Canva Pro, $10. Zapier, $30. Claude Pro, $20. Grammarly, $12. Total investment, $92 per month. Total savings, over $7,000 monthly. That's a 76x return on investment every single month. If this helped, subscribe, hit like, and comment which tool you'll try first. I read every comment. Start with one tool today. See results, then add the next. I'm the AI Mentor. See you in the next video.